So in this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step everything you need to do to be able to download and install apps on your iPhone device. And this can be any iPhone from the old ones right up until the iPhone 17. So what we can do first of all is we need to head over to our settings here. And the first thing that we need to do is make sure that we are connected to some sort of internet connection. So this can be a Wi-Fi connection, or if we go back and then head over to the mobile service, it will also be able to be mobile data. So you want to make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data first of all. And then once we do this, you will then be good to go to the next step. So the next step, if we head over to our App Store here, what we need to do is we need to go to the top right hand corner, and I'm going to click on my profile picture here. And once we select this, what we now need to do is make sure that we have got an Apple account and an Apple ID, which can be created free of charge, and it is very simple to do. Now, once we have got an internet connection and we've got an Apple ID, what we now need to do is we need to head on back, and let's just say that we've just opened our App Store here. You then want to go to the apps or game section, and you simply want to find the app that you want to download. So as you can see, there is many different ones here. So for example, if I just click on this random one, I will click on this, and at the top here, you will now see an option for Get. Now, if I click on Get, it will automatically bring up this menu here where I can click on Install, and you may be required to enter in your password if you do require one on your device. So as you can see here at the top, it will now show a little progress bar, this little circle, and there is a pause button. So if you want to pause it, you can click on that, and if you want to resume, you can select the resume button. Once this circle has got all the way around, that will mean that you have downloaded and installed this app on your iPhone. So what you can do then is click on open, and then as you can see, you will then be able to play and stuff like that. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how simple it is to download and install apps on your iPhone.